We guide you through how to check call history on your Google account quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to your Google account page by typing myaccount.google.com. Then make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Once you're in, look for the data and privacy section on the left side and click it. Then scroll down until you find History Settings and tap on Web and App Activity. From there, click Manage Activity to see all recorded activity linked to your account. Now, to specifically find call-related data, use search bar or filter option at the top and type keyword like call or check entries from the app like Google Phone or Google Voice if you use them. Keep in mind that Google only shows call history if your device and apps are synced with your account. If you didn't see anything, it likely means call logging isn't enabled or synced. And that's it.